Hi everyone, on this tutorial I will show you guys how to make my second favorite paper airplane, the Spirit Dragon. So let's start now. You need a printing paper to make the Spirit Dragon, and I'm using letter size, so if you have A4 paper you should trim it down to letter size. Okay, first step, I will fold the paper in half vertically. Okay. Second step, I start from this edge, I fold to this edge. Next, I repeat the same step for this side. Start from this edge, fold it to this edge. Fourth step, I turn the paper over. Then I will fold this triangle shape down. Okay, remember that you have this crease and this crease, their preferences. Okay. Okay. Fold the paper back, flip it over. Now fold this crease and this crease to the center crease. Alright, then just fold this shape down. Alright, next step, I fold this layer of the paper to a side. Okay, and then I start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Very easy. I fold this layer back, then I fold this layer back to the side as well. Okay, now same thing, I start from this edge, just fold to the center crease. Okay, fold this layer back to this side, then fold this layer to this side, because I want to start with the right side first. Okay, this is very easy. I will estimate about 1 inch from the tip here along this crease. Okay, about 1 inch here. Then I just fold this layer out. Okay, 1 inch from here to here, first out. When I fold out, just fold slowly until this edge match with the corner here. Almost matches best. Okay, you can see it's almost matched to the corner. Okay. Alright, and then I fold this layer back here. Then I turn the paper over, fold this layer, okay, to this side. Here we go. Then turn the paper back again, fold this layer back here. Okay, so now you can use this edge as a reference to fold this layer out. See what I have here, just fold it out. Alright, open the paper, fold this one back. Okay, just hold it up, then fold this part of the paper to this side. So this is what we should have. Then I just fold, and then I just put the paper down. Okay. Next step, I will start from this edge, and then I fold to the center crease. Next, I repeat the same step for the other side, right? Turn the paper this way so it will be easier. Then just fold this layer in to the center crease. Right. So that is what we have for now. Okay, I will hold the paper like this, and then you can see we have like a pocket here, right? I just fold this part of the paper into the pocket to hold the wing. Okay, so first as strong as you can, and then you repeat the same step for this side. Just fold it in, okay, push it in as much as you want. Okay, there we go. This is perfect. Then I fold the paper in half like this. Right. Next step, I will fold out to create the wings. So when I fold out, I'll use this edge and this edge as my references. Okay, just match that. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Alright, and I turn the paper this way for this edge, match it to this edge. Alright, and then open the wings. This is what we should have for now. Okay. Here, this part, I will fold it up to create a stabilizer. Fold it up. Make sure that you fold straight up, okay? Perfect. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Fold straight up. So this is good now. Okay. Next step, we need to create the elevators, otherwise the plane will not fly at all. See this part of the plane, the body part, we just fold it up like this. And then I repeat the same step for this side. Make sure that both sides are symmetrical. And now it's good. Okay. Now you can try it out. If it doesn't fly, you can curve the end of the wings up a little bit as well. Okay, so if you want the plane to fly straight up, you can curve this one more. Or you want it to fly straight, you can fold this one straight down. Okay. Make sure that the stabilizers are straight up too. It should parallel to each other and parallel to the body, as is vertical. And here we go. This is the Spirit Dragon, my second favorite paper airplane. You should try it out, and if you like it, please give my video a thumb up, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.